Have you ever looked at a trading indicator and just had this nagging feeling that maybe, just maybe, you're using it completely backward? Well, today we're diving into a fascinating strategy from trader Rob Booker that does exactly that. It takes one of the oldest tools in the book, pivot points, and flips it completely on its head.
Okay, so let's start with a really core question. When you look at a chart and you see a support or resistance level, what do you actually see? Do you see a hard wall, a barrier that price is just supposed to smack into and bounce off of? Or could it be something else entirely? Could it be a magnet actually pulling the price right towards it?
And this, right here, is the huge mental shift we're talking about. The traditional view, the one we all learned, is that pivots are barriers. Price hits them, it bounces away. Simple. But Rob Booker's view, it's the polar opposite. He sees the pivots that don't get touched, the untouched ones, not as irrelevant, but as powerful targets. For him, price isn't repelled by them, it's drawn to them. Now, Booker's strategy was really designed to be a kind of mechanical compass. You know how chaotic the trading day can be? It's a labyrinth, right? Well, this is a way to navigate with a clear set of rules, not just gut feelings or emotions. It's all about taking the guesswork out of your decisions. And what's interesting is that the formula for calculating these pivots is, well, it's pretty standard stuff. It's just based on the previous day's high, low, and close. You can find it anywhere. The real innovation, the secret sauce, if you will, isn't in the math at all. It's all about how you interpret those levels once they're on your chart. So if the innovation isn't in the math, then where is it? Well, it's right here in the core philosophy of the whole strategy, this idea of price magnets.
And this quote, man, it just says it all, doesn't it? For pretty much every other trader, a pivot level that price never even comes near is, well, it's a failure. It's useless information. But for Booker, that same untouched level is the single most important piece of information on the entire chart. And this brings us to the absolute heart of the concept, the missed pivot. It's a simple idea, really. When a pivot level gets calculated for the day, but price trades all day long and never touches it, that level doesn't just vanish into thin air. The theory is that it creates a kind of imbalance. It's like the market has some unfinished business, and it will often feel this pull to gravitate back to that exact spot later on, almost to, settle the score. So you can basically see the whole life cycle right here. Step 1, a new day begins, a new pivot gets calculated. Step 2, the market does its thing all day, but it actively avoids that one specific level. And then step 3, sometime later, maybe the next day or the day after, you see price making this journey back, almost like it's on a mission to finally tag that level it missed. And get this isn't just some cool-sounding theory, it has a really powerful statistical edge. Booker actually documented that if the market misses the main central daily pivot for 3 days in a row, there's a greater than 90% chance of a significant reversal. I mean, for a trader, that is a massive, massive probabilistic signal. It's like being dealt an ace at the poker table. Okay, so this is a powerful concept, but how do we actually turn it into a concrete, rules-based trading plan? Let's break down the actual playbook. All right, the execution here is all about speed and simplicity. You're going to be watching the shorter time frames, like the 15-minute or the hourly chart. Your entry signal is when price actually hits a pivot and shows hesitation or rejection, like a long wick on a candle, which shows that one side tried to push through but failed. That's your cue. You enter immediately. Your stop loss is placed logically just on the other side of that pivot you're trading against, and your take profit is the very next pivot level. It's clean, it's defined, and it's completely mechanical. And to add another layer to this, Booker also developed this concept he calls ghost pivots. Now, think of these as pivot points that are projected out into the future for tomorrow or maybe even for next week. This lets you shift from being just reactive to what the market is doing now to being proactive and anticipating where that unfinished business might be next. Okay, so this all sounds fantastic in theory, but every trader knows what really, really matters is one thing. Does it actually work? Well, after some pretty rigorous testing with super strict rules, let's take a look at the numbers. So what did that performance actually look like when the rubber met the road? Here's the performance breakdown. The strategy was profitable 61% of the time, which is great. But what's almost just as important is that only 11% of the trades were outright losses. Nearly a third of them ended at break-even. So this kind of structure is really designed to keep you in the game and demonstrates a clear positive edge over time.
But, and this is a huge but, it's incredibly important. Here's the fine print. These results, they were only achieved when sticking to a strict 3-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. That means for every single dollar you risk, your potential profit target has to be at least $3. This just underscores that the system's edge is completely tied to disciplined, non-negotiable risk management. Now look, no strategy is a silver bullet. We all know that. So to get the full, honest picture, we have to talk about both its strengths and its very real weaknesses.
Okay, the strengths are pretty compelling. First, it's mechanical, which means your own fear and greed are taken out of the equation. The setup is either there or it isn't. That's true objectivity. Plus, the indicators are free on basically every platform, so it's accessible to anyone. And that core idea of missed pivots gives it a forward-looking, predictive quality that most lagging indicators just don't have.
The challenges, though, are just as real. Because it's based on cast price data, a big surprise news event can just blow the levels out of the water. In a really strong one-way trend, momentum is just going to steamroll right through these pivot magnets. And in a choppy, sideways market, you can get whipsawed back and forth. And finally, that strict 3-to-1 risk-reward rule, it demands patience. You're going to have to pass on a lot of potential setups that just don't meet the criteria. So ultimately, it really just boils down to knowing if this strategy is for you. It's built for active day traders and scalpers. We're talking about people who thrive on a mechanical rule set, who can monitor charts during the day, and who can execute with speed and discipline. This is definitely not a set-it-and-forget-it system for a long-term investor. And that brings us to the final and maybe the most important question of all. This entire strategy is basically a bet that having a simple edge but executing it with ruthless, consistent discipline is way more powerful than trying to perfectly predict the future. So you've got to ask yourself, in your own trading, what are you searching for? Are you looking for a crystal ball, or are you building the discipline to just follow a plan? The answer to that, well, it might just change everything.